If you are planning to invest in real estate in 2026, here's how to know if the real estate company you want to buy from is genuine. Number one, verify if the company is registered with CAC.
Number two, check out their track record. You can do this by either checking them out online or simply asking questions. You can go to their social media platform and check out who they have served, people that they have sold to before now. And as well, you can ask the real estate agent or the real estate professional that you're working with on the track record about the company that you're trying to buy property from. And then finally,
check their physical office. So before even thinking of making any payment to this company, go and ensure that these people have physical presence. Beyond online presence, it is very important that you know that they have physical presence, because every genuine company needs to have a physical presence.
so if you are looking for the next real estate company, genuine one that you can work with right here in the city of Enugu, Browdy Global is here for you. We serve genuine and profitable real estate investments across Enugu and Abuja. So if you want to get started with owning properties right now in Enugu, all you need to do is to contact the number shown on your screen and we'll serve you. So until we come to your face again, see you in the next one.